Welcome to our channel. Today we how to block calls on Verizon, quick method step by step clearly. To block calls on Verizon, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the phone app on your device. Locate the number you want to block in your call history. Tap on the eye icon or the three dots menu next to the number. Select block this caller or add to reject list, confirm the action when prompted. For a more comprehensive method, open the Verizon app. Log in to your Verizon account if prompted. Navigate to the Account section. Select Call and Message Blocking. Choose Block Calls. Enter the number you wish to block. Tap on Block to confirm the entry. For additional options, visit the Verizon website on your computer. Log in to your Verizon account. Go to the My Profile section. Click on Call Blocking. Follow the on-screen instructions to add numbers. Remember to review your blocked numbers periodically. Now you can prevent unwanted calls effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.